Hi, 4th grade, and welcome back to Math, Mr. G. I am here for my students at the Syracuse Academy of Citizenship. Today we're going to continue our work with Mission 6, Lesson 14, with adding and subtracting decimals. Today we're going to be looking at another mixed unit version of adding decimals. So please grab your whiteboard, your marker, and your paper and pencil to go over the following problem. Okay, you can see here in front of us we have another sum that we need to find. And this time our decimals have more units in the place values, so we're going to have to do more additive properties and more additive strategies. So please follow along as we solve this together. As you know from our last video, our first step here is to take these two numbers and put them vertically to solve. You could solve these horizontally, but that includes a lot of mental math, and doing that a number of times, whether it's on a quiz or a test, a lot of times we'll make small, silly mistakes that we end up getting the wrong sum. So the best way to do this is just to do it right the first time and put it vertically. So I'm going to put 6.43 here on top, and then I'm going to add 4.78. Just like I said in the last video, notice that I'm lining up the decimals as well as the place values. Now, of course, on my online whiteboard, it isn't as neat as it usually is, but it still is lined up exactly how I want it. So now we can just add. First, I'm going to add 3 plus 8, which is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. Carry my 1. I'm now going to bring down my decimal place here, and I'm going to add 1 plus 6, being 7, plus 4 is 11. So my final answer is 11 and 21 hundredths. You're going to see more of this as we complete our unit into adding and subtracting decimals and working with fractions and decimals on this Zearn lesson today and the next couple days as we finish this up. I look forward to seeing your work, and if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your teachers or myself and we can help you. As always, I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye.